welcome back. It is me, Cyber Warrior. This is Cyber Warrior Studios, and it's National Cybersecurity Awareness Month. Now, I know most Saturdays I have foregone my videos for Cybersecurity Awareness Month, but today is a little bit different since I'm home today. So, what sparked this video was a tweet by Jay Optenacker. I'll put his handle down below if he doesn't mind. But basically, it was actually some really good advice for cybersecurity awareness, and I thought I should share it with everybody who doesn't go on Twitter or doesn't follow people or whatever the case may be. But essentially, you can't get hacked through what you don't have. What's that mean? Well, what it means is you only create accounts on things you absolutely need. So if you need a Twitter or really want a Twitter, only create an account for there. If you need a Facebook or you need certain accounts, then you create accounts where you need them, forums, etc. If you're only going to go on once, then create the account and delete it. But essentially, you don't install things, you don't create accounts on things that you don't need. For instance, I don't create accounts on HP. I mean, they send me stuff for warranties or whatever, but I don't create accounts on them. I don't create accounts on a lot of things that ask me, hey, register this so you can get X, Y, and Z. Nah, I don't need to. I'll be all right. Another one is only install software you really need. So if you don't need it, get rid of it or don't install it at all. Another, for instance, on that is anytime you install Adobe Flash, which FYI, December 2020, it will no longer be supported in just about any browser or by Adobe itself. So be aware of that. However, just to state the point, if you install Adobe Flash Player, anytime you go to update Adobe Flash Player, it asks if you want to install McAfee, whatever. Now, if you don't pay attention to what you're doing, you're going to install this McAfee Smart Scan or something like that, which is a little check mark box in the middle of the screen usually. I never install it. I think I made the mistake once and had to get rid of it because I don't like having that nonsense on my computer. I have different antivirus solution, so I'm not going to install multiple. It just bogs down the computer and makes it take longer to boot up and everything else. But again, only install software you need. So if you installed something, even if it was like a year ago and you've used it once, get rid of it. Now, there's no need for it to be there. It's just another point of entry for somebody to exploit your system. And again, what he says, regularly revise your software accounts and third-party applications that have access to them and remove what you no longer use. Goes back to what I was saying. If you don't use something, get rid of it. So if you install a game, if you don't use it anymore, get rid of it. And the reason for that is twofold. One, it's no longer a point of entry for somebody to gain access. And two, it frees up space on your computer. Same with your browsers, your extensions, everything like that in your browsers. All these third-party apps can be an avenue of attack. So if you don't use it, get rid of it. All right, then you don't have to worry about updating it or anything like that. It's just gone. So yeah, National Cybersecurity Awareness Month. Only create accounts you need, only install software you really need, and regularly revise your software accounts and third-party applications to make sure that you're not giving something access to your information that shouldn't have access to it anymore. And with that, be sure to check out Security Happy Hour live tonight, ladies' night. So of course I will have the women of InfoSec on. And I'm telling you, some of these ladies are superb. You don't want to miss it. And of course, it will be on my podcast after the fact. So without further ado, enjoy your Saturday. And I hope to catch you all later tonight.